This is how I made $540 trading EU in the New York session today. And yeah, as we can see for news, we had non-farm employment, and yeah, it didn't really impact the market. We have Trump speaking at 9 p.m. today. And yeah, let's get into the trade recap. We had a very successful day, but the white line represents when I started looking at the chart. So I started looking at 6 a.m. and as we can see, we got a nice little liquidity sweep on an hourly low, which did make me enter. If we can have a look, the price action was quite choppy, and it did stop me out on first entry. So we had a break of structure here, right on this candle here. I entered just here. We'll put a little long position to represent where I entered. So yeah, I entered just here. I think the stop loss was no, I do know the stop loss was 10 pips. It did stop me out, which was unfortunate because I did know this move was going to happen today. I just had the market intuition. It was just the pattern as well. It kind of looked like it wanted to go up, but I'll get into it a bit later. But yeah, so I entered here, 15-minute break of structure. I guess I could have waited for a fair value gap, but there was no really fair value gap or anything. You could call this is more now of an order block than anything. But yeah, entered there, got stopped, and I re-entered purely based off a 5-minute break of structure. This time I zoomed in. I had a look, and there was a fair value gap just here, which had held. I then wanted a break of structure, and then my entry was just here. It was 9:20. Yeah, perfect, 9:20, and it was on that close of the 5-minute candle. And yeah, from there, if we move this position along, I still had a stop loss of 10 pips. I think it was 10 or 9 pips. I can't remember exactly, but I was targeting these highs just here. Seems quite far away, but price went this really, really quickly. So I was still targeting this hourly draw on liquidity, and yeah, we got it quite quickly. It was not a 1 to 5.7 because my stop loss was a bit wider. It was around a 5 to, yeah, 1 to 5.3, which is still really good risk to reward in my opinion. I made $540 on this trade, and then I lost 100 on the other one. So in net, I can say I'm around $440 up for the day. Pardon me. But yeah, let's go on to the proper chart where I took the trade and go more in-depth analysis. Okay, so coming into it. So yeah, I explained the first entry. First entry got stopped out. However, I did like the move, so I re-entered. And we also had these Asian lows. If we go on the 30-minute time frame, we can see these are Asian lows, which we tapped into a couple of times, which you could question, are they valid anymore? But they were valid to me. So we tapped into them here. We then disrespected, but pumped right back up and tapped into them again here, which also was this fair value gap here. So it correlated perfectly, hence why I took this trade. And yeah, this is the actual stop loss amount. It was 10 pips. Entry was just a bit higher. And yeah, I did target this area here. So there was this 4 hourly high here, which I wanted to see get closed above. We did get that closure, which confirmed to me this is a strong, valid move. And yeah, I did wait for the full TP to get hit. But as you can see, we're mooning right now. It's nice to see. But yeah, we had that 4 hourly high, and then we had the previous day high, which I was advised to take profit. However, I didn't take profit on this previous day high, as there was this bearish order block, which is like, if there's a bearish order block, you do take profit, right? However, we had the bearish order block formation just here. We tapped into it once, well, to be fair, once, twice, and then a third time here, meaning that market makers already got their orders filled, which to me, it doesn't mean it's fully invalid. However, there's more likelihood of it breaking past and hitting TP and disrespecting the bearish order block than anything else. So yeah, I left my full TP run and I took full take profit at the level of 8455. And yeah, it was a one lot position. I'm really happy. There was no emotions towards this trade. I literally said it in the morning. Oh, I say in the morning. I can't remember when I got the entry. I think it was around 10 a.m. And yeah, it is now 4:59, and we got the TP. Well, we got the TP about an hour ago. But yeah, it just kept going higher. I did think I could target these levels here, but I just wanted to play it more on the safe side and leave it to here, because I did think it could reverse from here. But yeah, it's just going up. There's not much else to say. But yeah, I think that brings me on to what I could improve on. So overall, this trade was really good. Honestly, maybe like an 8 or a 9 out of 10 setup trade. But I could improve on the take profits. I could have partial positions, so I can partially TP for example, at this area and this area here would have made me more money. Maybe that's greed speaking, but yeah, that's what I could improve on. There was also, what else can I improve on? I'd say that's about it, to be honest. I'm really happy with this trade. If you guys think I should like improve on anything, or you guys spot anything that I don't, please put it in the comments. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's trade recap, and I hope you guys found this useful. I hope you guys killed it today in the markets. I hope you guys got this long with me and made some money. But yeah, that's for next time now, and tomorrow we have unemployment claims, which I will be trading. That's not that significant. It might move the market a little bit, but not enough to make huge moves. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and yeah, I'll see you guys later.